say all the right things. Maybe I stumble on my words. Maybe I laugh at all the wrong times. Maybe I mumble and I curse. The best I can do is to be myself, and I hope it's enough to make you proud. I can't explain just why I'm acting this way. I can't control it, so I go there. I'm just a girl, I won't be changing the world. And boy, you know that I'm not perfect, but